Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to change your Cash App password. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to do this, you need to now simply navigate to the login screen and tap on Forgot Password. After you have done this, you need to enter your registered email or phone number and follow the on-screen prompts to receive a verification code and create a new password. Along with it, if you want to change your PIN code of your Cash App, then you need to simply tap open your Cash App, and once you open it, you will end up in this kind of interface. Then you need to tap on the profile icon on the top right hand side of the corner, which will take you to this interface. So now all you need to do is simply scroll down below of this page. Once you scroll down, you will find an option called Security and Privacy. Simply tap on that particular icon, which will now redirect you to a different interface which probably looks like this. Once you're here, you need to simply tap on Change Cash PIN. After you tap it on, you need to now simply type in your old password and your new password, which are the PIN codes, which will help you to change your PIN code as well. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.